So, welcome to another backyard
It's
unboxing.
an active noise cancellation premium earbuds. The box is so busy, like there's so many things on it. As you can see, there's some of the features have been highlighted at the front there. The awareness mode, the up to 18 hours playtime, eliminate outside noise, Bluetooth and button control and all that. At the back, it's also quite busy, as you can see. Like, geez, like it's almost as if the manual is written outside of the box, but I like it. For me, that is attractive. And there right now. All right, so I'm just gonna open this box and I decided to share it with you guys. All right, so stay tuned. All right, here we go. And look at this nice little flap lid that it has here as well. Look at that. It's like when you open in a jewelry box. Oh, wow. Nice. The package is premium and the business continues on the inside. And it's made by, as you can see, Sentry Industries. I've never had any brand from or any product from Sentry Industries, but this one, you can see yourself. I mean, they're really selling this product, aren't they? If it's one thing, the first thing you will see when you, even before you open this box, is the fact that it's really good. It claims to be really good when it comes to noise cancellation. Noise cancellation is good for me because normally when I go to work or I go to different places on public transport, I just like to be in a quiet environment, and because that is impossible on a train or in a very busy noisy environment, then these would be perfect for me. All right, one of the challenges I've had with these specific design of headphones is that somehow they always slip out of my ear. They always slip out, so I'm excited to see that it has different sizes, so I hope by using the different size then I can get one that fits. All right, let's see what's in it. Oh yeah, it has Bluetooth, extra AirPods, as we can see, charging case, and built-in mic. I guess this is really handy for when you're wearing this and you receive a phone call. Yeah, that's what I like. So I've gone ahead and yeah, that was quite intense there, ripping that out. So as you can see, these things are quite common with these wireless things. I guess this is the charger for it. Is it a C-type? Oh yeah, it's definitely a C-type. And these are just paperwork that I will get into later, but this is the product itself. This is what I'm really excited about. This, I guess, is the yeah, very good. This is the, I guess, the charging pod. Have a look at that, and these are the headphones themselves. Now, the first thing that happens when I grab this, I guess I probably grabbed it too tight. It popped off, so I'm just gonna try pop the other one out so you can see at least how one of them look up close. Yeah, so it looks, it feels solid, like real hard plastic, and this is for the right side. This is for the back. I guess this part is, but you can actually press it. You can actually depress this button. So I guess that's probably for power. So you may just be as close as possible. So it's a quite a unique design though. I'm just gonna take this one where the soft part is already off, and this is how it looks. Yeah, and this is the soft part is it's good for air protection and all that. So I'm just gonna try and see how this fits in my ear and see how comfortable it is. All right, so but back to this part right here. Oh, before I do that, as it was saying, there are different sizes, so I think I'm gonna try one of the smaller sizes to see how well it fits in my ear. All right, so this is how the pod looks when it's open. Yeah, there we go. So that's how it looks when it opens. I guess you fit these earbuds in the sockets and then charge it away. All right, I'm not seeing any particular display, but I guess you have to gauge it by, I assume there might be some flashing lights right here, so you can tell when it's charged or when how far it is in terms of filling up the batteries. I'm gonna plug this in right now and see how it works. But before I get into that, one of the things that I noticed, and it's an immediate critique from me, remember when I'm trying to unbox this, when I was trying, one of the air things, one of the soft piece up here fell off, and I was trying to get one back in, but it's really challenging to do that. So I guess that's one of the things that is not so good when it comes to this, is basically to fit these back on. it's really hard. As a matter of fact, I was trying until it just rips apart. Yeah, and there's the other piece. Where is it? It's right there. All right, so that's one of the things that might be a bit troublesome for anyone. All right, unless I'm not doing it correctly, but I think I tried my best. But anyway, let's see how this thing looks when it's actually charging. Let's go. So this is how it looks when they are sitting snugly in the pod here. It's like two aliens sat in a spaceship ready to take off here. As you can see, not sure if you can see that clearly, but there are some bluish lights here. I think that's an indication of how much power is in the battery there. Just two lights blink. Well, not really blinking, but two lights lit up there. I think there's four. When it gets to four, then it's fully charged. As you can see, there are two red lights on each of the pot. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna plug this into my nearby laptop and see what happens in terms of how the charging animation works with this pot. I must say that it comes with hard plastic material outside, and there is a soft little sort of texture inside, as well as a bit more hard plastic. All right, so yeah, it feels like, yeah, it's quite comfy. This thing can just fit in your pocket like that as you walk around and do, you know, normal things like normal people. Yeah, so it's quite comfy like that. It's like holding a small stone in your hand. Yeah, so nice, very comfortable. I like that. Went ahead and plugged that into my laptop, as you can see, and it seemed like it's working. So it's charging, it's blinking. Yeah, so it's actively charging, I guess. Yeah, so that's good. It's working right there. So you can simply plug that into your laptop or something else that produces power, and you can charge on the go if you wish. Yeah, so it seems like that's working so far. The challenging thing for me now is how well it fits and stays in my ear. All right, I'm gonna try that now. If it's snuggled correctly, but I just placed this thing in my ear. I just placed one because I still can't get the other thing to fit on the other one. So that's a bit of a disappointment for me. Maybe somebody else know how to do that better than I do, but this one, it seemed like this part of it, it's very difficult to get on to the tip of the AirPod or the earbud itself. But it feels comfortable. It feels like it's able to stick into my ears. It's able to stay in my ear because I've used one of the smaller ones. So it feels comfortable, I would say. It feels, but I guess if I started running or jogging with it, it would probably fall out. I don't want to blame the AirPods itself because it happens with everyone I tried. So maybe it's my ear. There is something about my ear that just doesn't accommodate these things quite well. But anyway, that was another unboxing of the Sentry AirPod noise cancellation AirPods. I haven't tried it yet in terms of performance, but I will definitely do that, and I will get back to you. Thanks for watching this unboxing. I'm out.